The production pulse is one of the most powerful tools in Raider Mass. It was created because time matters, and the soonest managers and administrators and the cross-functional team are aware of current and or other days' performance, the better. Production pulse is an executive summary of the performance of the operation. It covers most of the KPIs that have direct impact over the P&L and productivity. Production Pulse provides a summary of the plant KPIs and includes Vince unit, production area, the production shift, the name of the leader that is currently in charge of the production run, the number of safety incidents that have been reported by the particular area, new safety initiatives, the production date, of course, the number of Kaizen activities that are already open and or past due, the overall impact of efficiency gain or lost, the actual area efficiency, the actual area efficiency but without considering the hidden factory impact. This is a quick feedback to identify possible production errors, the number of operators that were included on the budget, the discrepancy between operators in budget and the actual operators that are on the area, the actual number of operators that were on the official HR list, the number of transfer hours between areas. This is in and out. The ones in green are received and the ones in red are transferred. And another very important parameter is the acceptance discrepancies. Just to make sure that all the transfer hours were already accepted by the received area. And the indication if it was a regular or overtime production run. It also includes the total quantity of absent personnel, if it was unjustified or justify absenteeism, and of course the percentage of absenteeism. The contribution to the plant hours volume per area, for example, this is the 31%. This represents the 31% of the total plant volume. The number of hours available for production, the actual produced or gained hours, and this is the balance of lost or gained hours during the day for the particular production area. For example, at this point in time, this area number 60 has lost 109 hours, or have 109 hours to gain during the rest of the day. The downtime in actual hours, it means the actual downtime multiplied by the number of operators that were impacted by the downtime. And the impact of the downtime to the efficiency. Hidden factory hours and the impact of those hidden factory hours to the plant, to the area efficiency, and the takt time opportunities. This is a very key element to predict productivity results at the end of the day. And this is the production runs that are being run and not complying with the standard times established by engineering and finance. This is the production runs that are actually running, but without a valid production order, and relevant notes to the production run. The production pulse also provides a navigation link to obtain the detailed information to the KPIs that is being reviewed. And this is done by clicking or double clicking on the column and cell that is marked with an asterisk on its left. Well, now let's take time to do a quick live review. Thank you. Now it is the time to go over the production pulse report. Once you are in the main screen of the plant operations one room, you need to click on the production pulse, and it's going to get you to the production pulse screen. In here, you can choose the date that you would like to investigate. In this particular case, I'm going to leave in here the 4/16. I'm going to click on the Pulso de Producción, and it's going to give me the report of April the 16th. Okay, I can go back and ask for the April the 15th. Click once again on Production Pulse Report, Pulso de Producción, and now it's going to get me to the production pulse of 4/15, April the 15th. Okay. If today is April the 16th, what I'm getting is the actual production information that is currently going on. Okay, and from here I can navigate to all those columns that have an asterisk on its left by clicking on the specific cell. For example, I'm going to go and get the production report of the area 93 second shift. It's going to get me to the specific production report. I'm going to get the one for the first shift, and so on. Okay. I can also go and check if there were some safety incidents. In this case, we have none. Okay, but I can click in there, and it's going to get me to the incident report or the safety opportunities that were reported for this particular area during this particular date. In this case, says 2, and here are the 2 opportunities that were noted during this particular date by this lady. Okay, I can also go and check the Kaizen opportunities that are open for the particular area. For example, it says that here we have 13 Kaizen opportunities open, and one of them is already past due. I'm going to click in here, and it's going to get me to the Kaizen report for this particular area, where I can see that there are 13 open items, and one of them is already past due. Okay, I close this, and I go back to the production pools. Now I'm going to get the efficiency report of, let's check this area, the 90 that is running at 102. I'm going to click in here, and it's going to get me to the efficiency report for this particular area. It's going to give me the results of the whole month and the trend. Okay, I can do the same with another area, the area 990 and the shift number 1. Now I would like to go over the lane rate or the budget operators that I have on the last line rate or budget. I'm also interested at this very moment on the number of hours that have been transferred. For example, in here, I'm going to click on the 48.72. The transfer columns, and here I'm observing that there were 6 people that were transferred from the area number 90 to other areas, and for some reason they have not been accepted in the system. So we need to solve this right away. Okay. Let's go over the absenteeism information. And here we can observe that the area number 60 has 3 absent persons, and the impact of the absenteeism is 9.4. Let me click on the absenteeism, and it's gonna take me over the area 16 first shift report of absenteeism. From here I can also navigate and have some additional information on the absenteeism. For example, today we have 3 absence, and over the last 30 days this is the people that is getting the absenteeism, if it is unjustified or justified. And I can click on the clock number, and it's going to get me to the specific person records. Okay, now let's go over the let's say the downtime. Here we can observe that the area number 90 is hitting us with 7 lost hours. Okay, I can click on the 6.6 as well, and it's going to get me to the details of what is happening in there and the current impact. Also the hidden factory hours. Let's see here, it seems like the area number 60 has 34.7 hours. Okay, and here we can check that 4 people are being used for non-productive activities. Now let's go over the takt time opportunities. 4 in here on the area number 20. And here we can notice that here we have the production rusting concern. Let's go and check on this area number 90 for shift, 91st shift. And we can check that there is one production run with a takt time opportunity, and the best efficiency that I can get out of this particular area, I mean production run, will be 53.0%. Okay, there are no orders being run without the production order and no relevant notes. Well, this is a quick review of the production pools. Thank you.